Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ginger, and if this is your first time visiting, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment. I am doing a haul video. I have a couple things that I got at Office Depot, and then we went to Target today, and then I had an Amazon order that came in. So the first thing, and leave me a comment, what do you think? My biggest question is, I have a little budgeting thing that I'm going to share with you. How do you do your budget? Do you have any tips for my budget? And I'll explain that more in just a minute. But first, the first thing that I got was I went online to Office Depot. I love the tool pens, and I picked up 2 of them. These are the limited edition medium point tool pens, and I got a navy blue one and a green one. And let me see if I can do a pen test so you can see what color they are. So there is the blue one. I love to write with navy blue. And these are gel pens, and they are amazing. And if you've never used a tool pen, I suggest you try it out. They're super smooth, no skipping. So I picked these up, and they were $1.50, and I actually had like $3 or $4 in my rewards account. So I just used my rewards account, and so I didn't pay anything for them. They were $3.28 with tax, and I ended up paying nothing. So that's how I usually do my stuff at Office Max, and then or Office Depot. And then when I went in, I took 2 of my empty cartridges from our printer, and I turned those in, and they will look up your rewards account. When you turn in your empty ink cartridges, you get, I think it's $2, but it may be $3, I'm not sure, $2 or $3 for each ink cartridge that you turn in, and you can turn in like 3 or 4 a month. So I just get more rewards points, and then I usually shop and get whatever I want, either free or at a great discount with those rewards points. Also, you get rewards points if you go on and if you write a review for the items that you purchased. So I will also do that. And I can't remember if you get a I can't remember how many points. I think you get I think it's like $2 for each review you do. So I picked those up, $3.28. And I just order mine online and then pick them up in the store. Then we went to Target and picked up a few things. We needed some more medium binder clips. Greg's been using them more often, so for different things. So I picked up another pack of those. They were $1.39. And then at the Target dollar spot, well, first, Greg and I journal every day. And so we love to journal, and Greg picked up this journal. It's a 5-year question a day memory journal, and each day they ask you a question. You put in what year it is. If we go back to whatever, today is September 14th. Let's see what the question is for today. Are you a member of a group or organization, and if so, which one? So just great, questions, and then he will just fill it out each year. This question over here, how many times have you told someone you loved them today? What are you thinking about right now? Have you missed an opportunity recently? So great questions, and I love to take it. I have a journal similar to this. Greg will take my journal and read sometimes, and he'll see what I answered, and then I do the same with his journal. So so Greg picked that up, and this journal, it was it said it was $9.99, but it rang up for $8.99. So he picked up that. And then at the Target dollar spot, I picked up a few crafty things. This is scrapbook paper with a stencil. It is 6x6 paper pad. And it's really thick cardstock, so I was really pleased with that. I'll do a quick flip through. You get 3 of each sheet. Now, with some of them you get 4 of each sheet. You have the pumpkins, and then you have your stencil that you also get. Pumpkin, a turkey, a pie, some leaves, an acorn, and an apple. So super cute. Love these papers. And then I picked up this one, which is Halloween based, and you also get a stencil with it. And these were all $1, and it's really thick, good quality scrapbook paper. You get the orange and black. You get 3 of the orange and black. Then you get one with skeletons, crows, bats on it. It's black and white. You get 4 of those. And then this one is kind of a floral and leaf, but it also has some spiders and some bones in it. You get 4 of that. And then 4 of the orange polka dots on the black. And then you get a big pumpkin, a spider, a cat, a bat, and 2 stars on your stencil. And then I picked up this one. And it is glittery. You get gold, and then you get kind of a copper color, rose gold color. You get purple, and then you get your stencil. And this stencil is the same one that I got in the first one, so if someone would like to have this stencil, leave me a comment down below and I will stick it in the mail for you. I don't need 2 of the same stencil, so if you're interested in that, just let me know. And then this one is kind of Thanksgiving based. You get Hello Fall, Gratitude, Give Thanks. You get the leaves. You get a plaid. And then you get these pumpkins. It says Jack-o'-lantern, gourds, ghost pumpkin, mini pumpkin, Long Island cheese, tiger stripe, mini white pumpkin. And then you get another stencil. Again, I already have this stencil, so if someone is interested in this stencil, please leave me a comment down below and I will stick it in the mail to you. My email address is down below. So you can also just email me and give me your address and I will stick that stencil in the mail for you. Then I picked up for $1 these adhesive wood shapes. You get 3 of each of the leaves. So you get a total of 9 leaves, and they are different sizes and they're self-adhesive. Then I got these adhesive shapes. It says grateful and thankful in the wood grain. You get grateful and thankful in the white, and grateful and thankful in the orange. So you get 6 of those wood shapes for $1. And then I picked up 1 sheet of the adhesive wood shapes that say Happy Halloween. You get 3 of those for $1. And then for my Amazon order, I can't even remember what this is. Oh, it's our toothbrush heads for our Sonicare. So, so yeah, I picked up 10 of those. They are cheapest on, I just get the off-brand, and they are cheaper on Amazon than anywhere. Just for like 2 or 3 of them, if you were to buy the generic ones at Walmart, they are like $15 to $20. And on Amazon, I can get 10 of them of the generic for, oh, I think I paid about $15, but I got 10 of them. So I picked that up. And then I was sent this makeup brush cleaner. It's portable, electronic, automatic. It cleans and dries your makeup brushes. And I will be doing a review on this, so I'll let you know how this works. I'll come back and do another video, take it out of the box and get it all set up, and then you can see how that works. I've been wanting one, and then someone contacted me to review one and sent it to me for free. And then we have started doing our budgeting on based on the cash envelope system. I got this monthly budget planner from I keep some budgeting stickers back here. You get daily expense section. You get a monthly where you put your bills to be paid, your income, and then other expenses. And then you also get account tracker, so you can keep track of your accounts and how much is in it. You also get a savings tracker, a debt payment log, which we don't have any debt, so, and then a bill payment checklist for each month. And then I have this set up for our envelope system. I had made some envelopes, but didn't like the way that they turned out. They were just laminated. So I went on Amazon and found this refillable personal binder with the envelopes. And I believe it was like $12. It's made by Meldon Incorporated. And you get 12 envelopes. You get 2 green, 2 blue, 2 yellow, 2 black, 2 red, and 2 purple. And then I also ordered another set, and I think you get 8 in here, of just the clear envelopes, because I need just a little more than the 12. So I ordered another package of those. And then it comes with this planner. It's like a personal size planner, but it's kind of like a wallet for your envelopes. It is leather, has a snap closure, has pockets over here for cards, a pocket here for whatever. There's a pocket up at the top. And I don't know what that pocket at the bottom is for. You get a pin loop and then a pocket back here. You pop all of your envelopes in here. Let's see if I could do that for you. And then you just put your envelopes right in here, which they're not punched very good. And then when you go somewhere and you need to use your cash envelopes, you just I can pop this in my purse and have everything right there with me. Super soft, smells like leather, so it's a great little envelope system. Anyways, how do you plan? Do you use the cash envelope system? If you do, has it been successful for you? This is our first week of using the cash envelope system, so I will let you know how it goes. I know a lot of people will do where they do their stuffing their envelopes on their, they will do a YouTube video about that. I don't do that. I don't plan on doing that, just for the fact that I don't want people to know how much cash that we have or that it's even in our house. So, so I'm not doing those kind of videos. But I will keep you updated on our cash envelope system and our budgeting and let you know how it goes. So that is the end of my Amazon and Target haul. What was your favorite thing that I hauled? Again, tell me about your budget and how it works. And then have a wonderful week. I will be back soon with another crafty planner video.